Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about date DAX function. Date DAX function. What is date DAX function? Date DAX function returns the date as per syntax. It returns always date time, data type only. Syntax date, and next one is year column, next month, next day. Syntax date, year, month, day. Okay, let's check this date function in Power BI desktop. Okay, see this now I am already entered some data. Okay, I am click new column, type here date, and next add year, table 1, year, next comma, next table 1, month, comma, next one table 1, day. Okay, see this is a date function name, this is a table 1, this is a year column name, this is a table 1 table name, this is a month column name, this is a table 1, this is a day name. See this is a table day column, month column, year column. Let's check this measure. Now you see this automatically converted to date format. Okay friends, this is date function. Please subscribe our channel Laxmi Skills.